question is, how blurry is this gonna be? So blurry.
Max, are you gonna make this awkward the entire week?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's still blurry. Is that just me?
That's just you.
Yeah, I think that's just.
It's so clear.
Oh.
That looks so good.
I think I do need glasses.
It's a sick Sunday morning. We're here in Taos Ski Valley. We got Max Ritter, Riley Rains, and me, Barrett Gregory. Today we're going to be shredding the Narnar on the Sicky Sicky Pow Pow. So you guys hang out with us, see how it goes.
I like the first one.
We've made it. Taos Ski Valley. Day one. Sunny.
Dad.
Already feels hot.
Really? My
And it's our
hands are
first
cold.
time skiing.
We're gonna fall today, but that's okay. We're gonna learn.
Let's hit the slopes, dude.
2 3-day adults.
Okay, perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Look at the middle zipper. This is what the
Snowboard boots are so much better. Oh my god.
Your first lift.
I'll put my goggles on. We're in ski mode.
I'm shining on my own. It's money, got it on my own. Got a couple 100,000 in a hair tie. Homie, I just had to get my bread right. Locked up in the studio like at night. They said that boy popping up, it's about time. Oh, it's about time. Oh, oh, it's about time. Oh, all these labels calling, yeah, they wanna sign me. All these cosigns, they wanna get behind me. Bitch, I'm looking bummy when I'm walking through. If you ain't talking pants, don't wanna talk to you. I'm shining on my own. It's money, got it on my own. Got a couple 100,000 in a hair tie. Homie, I just had to get my bread right. Locked up in the studio like at night. They said that boy popping up, it's about time.
Hey, do you want to ski on some ice? Psych! Woo! Dude. That's gonna be me.
Look at you, and you can go backwards.
Whoa!
So you get off here? That was like okay.
That was your first day.
It got so much better. I know I was complaining at lunch, but I only fell 2 times the second half of the day. That's so good.
And we're gonna spin it home. We're back. Showered, some of us. Had some dinner. And yeah, good day 1.
What?